We've kind of covered a lot of territory. If you could give one piece of advice to any business owner or founder or early stage leader, what do you think it would be?
Yeah, going back to what we've been talking about most on this call, it's easy to get caught up in the hustle culture. Chasing growth for the sake of it is never going to get you anywhere. But if you're intentional and using your business to grow, you have you have clear written goals. Start with a clear vision of your life and your values and your priorities. What does fulfillment look like? And build your company around that. Because success isn't just scaling up, it's staying aligned while you do it. And what I found is if you put the value first, the business and the revenue will follow. The money will follow. But if you're chasing money for the sake of money, it's an uphill battle for you.
Couldn't agree more. I grew up predominantly in the services business world, and there's a joke that you're only as good as your last engagement. And really, if your focus isn't maintaining a high level of quality, all the businesses that I've been in are easy to start, easy to get traction in, hard to maintain. And the reason they're hard to maintain is just that. If you don't have a North Star, if you're not willing to walk away from business because you can't crush it, you're gonna regret that choice.